Hello, Panthers. Today we're going to read an article called What Do Plants and Animals Need? Every organism has basic needs that must be met in order for it to live, grow, and reproduce. All living things need water, food, and space. But different kind of organisms meet these needs in different ways. An organism's ability to meet its needs depends on the number of resources an ecosystem has available. A resource is a biotic or abiotic factor in the environment that organisms use to live, grow, and reproduce. Comparing plants and animals reveals some consistent patterns in how different living things, meet their needs. The major reason plants and animals need different resources from the environment is that plants can make their own food, but animals cannot. In the presence of sunlight, plants can make their own food, or sugars, from carbon dioxide and water. Plants can use the sugars they make for either matter or energy. By undergoing further chemical reactions, plants can make even more complex molecules from simple sugars, which can be used to build and grow their stems, leaves, roots, and other body structures. Some sugars get broken down to provide energy for life functions. Plants also need small amounts of minerals such as nitrogen and phosphorus to make the materials used for activities such as growth. Another important resource for plants is space. Plants cannot move to a new location when population density increases. Without space, plants cannot grow, and this can limit reproduction or even lead to death. Competition for resources has led to a diversity of plants. Most plants get minerals from soil, but some can get minerals from other materials they touch. In densely populated areas, light is a limited resource. Some plants are able to thrive with low light. Plants that do not need much light can grow near the ground. Taller plants under taller plants. In a rainforest, diverse canopy species compete for direct sunlight, and diverse ground species live in the shadows. Water availability has also had an impact on plant evolution. In some dry ecosystems, plants use a modified method of photosynthesis that converts water. Plants such as cacti collect carbon dioxide only at night. This helps keep water from escaping into dry air under the hot sun. Like plants, animals need water and space to survive. Animals use water for chemical reactions, regulating temperature, transporting materials, and many other activities. Although animals can move and thus are more flexible than plants in finding spaces to live, they still face competition for space that can provide enough resources. Since animals cannot make their own food, they must get it by eating other organisms. By consuming food and breathing oxygen, animals can break down food into smaller molecules to obtain the matter and energy needed for life. The need for these basic resources had led to a diversity of animals. For example, animals that live in marine environments need oxygen but do not have a consistent access to air. Some marine animals return to the surface to get air. Others have gills that absorb oxygen from water. Variable access to fresh water has also produced unique ways of gathering it. In dry deserts, some animals collect and drink dewdrops. The ways the animals get food are also diverse. Some animals capture other animals by attacking, tricking, or trapping them. Some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat a wide variety of plants, animals, fungi, and other organisms. Some animals even scavenge dead animals. Since the need of some organisms overlap with those of other organisms, all living things face competition in finding a place to live that can provide enough resources. This can limit population size because the environment cannot support an endless number of individuals.